Hi, Larry here with PriceIt Software. Thanks for stopping by this video and checking it out. I think you're going to be happy that you did. We have been working on PriceIt for a long time, and this is some of the coolest stuff that's come across. Again, we got some response from Tom Rowan over at Envision Sports, and he had an idea in terms of tweaking the art proof section, and Ron went ahead and just worked his butt off and got it done. So I want to show you what's been done and how it can help you. So you log in to PriceIt like you normally would, and you click down here on the art proof section right here. And here we can see that there are three drop downs. One says jobs not done with proofs, status, and designer. So if it's not done with proofs, you can kind of look down here and see what jobs are currently in progress. The proofs are done. You can go to these three jobs and check them out. We also have a status drop down, so we can look at jobs that are not approved as far as the art proofs go, proofs that need work, approved, created, and sent, and get that list as well. We can also look at it by designers. This is kind of cool. We can look at all the jobs that are assigned to Ron or say to Kelly or whatever. So we can also go to not assigned, which is great because if you're an administrator or boss, you can come in here and say, okay, cool. Well, we've got two jobs here. I need artwork done to them, so I'm going to go to the order, and I'm going to go ahead and decide and assign this to a designer. So you just do that from a drop-down box, and you're good to go. A lot of cool changes in here. We can go click on art proofs needed, and again, there's that list. And this is the most exciting part. We can go by needed, and if it's been assigned to somebody already. So if it's needed from Ron or whoever, we can look at that. So a lot of options here. It gives you a lot of control, helps you stay on top of production and really see what's going on from like the 10,000 foot view. I want to thank everybody that gives us suggestions, Tom, others that are out there. Thank you for your suggestions. We take them very seriously, and we do our very, very best to get to each and every one of them. If you have any questions about this, give me a call. If you are not a PriceIt user, I would suggest you become one and check it out. I think you'll love it. I think you'll like what it can do for you. For those that have been with us for a long time or a short time, anybody who's currently still using PriceIt software, all of you, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for sticking with us through all of this craziness that's going on in the world right now. And hope you're having a great day, and Godspeed. Take care.